Want to improve the look of your home this weekend? How about getting a wood floor look with the easy installation and maintenance of vinyl? You can have it with Tarkett's Transcend luxury vinyl flooring. In this video, we'll show you the installation basics, but refer to the installation manual or go online for complete instructions. You'll need the following tools: a utility knife and sharp straight blades, a carpenter square, an undercut saw, a tape measure, a pencil, string, and a floor leveler. Before installing, fill and level any irregularities in the substrate. Then remove any dirt and debris. Measure the room to determine how many planks you will need. Note that each plank has a tongue side and a groove side. Starting on the left side of the wall, lay the planks with the tongue side facing the starting wall, placing spacers between the short and long side of the planks and the wall. Leave about a 1/4 inch gap between the wall and the flooring. This gap will be covered later by quarter-round molding. Now connect the end joints of the planks by inserting the tongue side into the groove side of the previous plank. Slowly rotate the plank down until the end joint closes. The last plank in the row will need to be cut. Measure the distance between the wall and the last plank. Remember, you will need to take into account the 1/4 inch gap between the wall and the plank. Then measure the plank and score it with a utility knife. Snap the plank at the score line. Then install the last plank in the first row. Starting with the second row, insert the tongue side of the plank into the groove side of the first row at a low angle and rotate downward. Then position the spacer between the wall and the plank. For the remainder of the planks, insert the tongue side end into the groove side end joint of the previous plank. Then position the long side of the plank with the tongue side slightly overlapping the groove area of the planks in the previous row. Starting from the left side of the plank working to the right, rotate the plank up and gently push forward until the entire plank engages in the previous row. Continue the process, moving left to right across the room until you have completed laying all the planks. Then remove the spacers and install quarter-round or baseboard molding thick enough to cover the gap. Now, it's time to enjoy your beautiful new Tarkett Transcend flooring. From installation through years and years of enjoyment, Tarkett Transcend is luxury flooring at its best.